Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Beck and you're watching Trek with Beck. Today I'm here to talk to you about a product which I have recently been sent by Oricom. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate member with Oricom, so they have sent me this item in order to test and review for you guys. So that is exactly what this video is going to be. I've had this tyre pressure monitoring kit on my car for the last probably about 8 months. I have used it, I have tested it, and all I've got to say straight away is I love it. I'm so happy I have this. Tyre pressure monitoring kits are great for safety, for your tyre health, and for long road trips. I wish I had these on my tyres when I had the tyre blow while I was up in Kununurra. It would have warned me before it was going to happen and I could have pulled over before the tyre actually exploded, which would have been nice. There's a lot of features about these tyre pressure monitoring kits that I'm going to tell you about today. I'm also going to tell you a little bit about the installation. So we're going to try and make this video as short and quick as possible because you guys don't really need to hear me just blubbering on about a product. So you can get these tyre pressure monitoring kits in either a 4, 6 or 8 pack, I believe. So I've just got the 4 for my car because that's all I need, but if you need ones for towing a boat, trailer, caravan, you can also get them for that. This tyre pressure monitoring kit is great because it not only shows your tyre pressure, but it also shows the temperature of your tyres, which is very, very handy. You can actually change the measurements to either PSI, bar, Fahrenheit or Celsius, so that's great to choose whichever one you want to use. What I love about this kit is how small and compact it is, and also how easy it is to install. If you've seen any of my other installation videos, you will know I'm not really the best. So if I can install these, anyone can install these. That's another great thing about these. You don't need to actually go to someone to install them. You can do it yourself. It probably took me about 10 minutes total time to do it. You do get all the instructions with it. So these are the instructions, and this pretty much just tells you a step-by-step with pictures on how to install. So get all the tools and everything you need for it in the kit, so you don't need to actually go out and buy anything. Once you've got the kit, all you need to do is just use the tools and everything that is provided, so that is always handy. So in the tyre pressure monitoring kit, you get the LCD display, you get the 4 sensors, 6 sensors, 8 sensors, whatever one pack you've decided to go with. You get the washers, and including one spare, dust-proof covers, the anti-slip mat for the LCD display, and you also get the little sensor tool, which is what you use to install and take off the sensors. So we'll go into a little bit of the details, we'll go into the little bit of the unit right now. So the unit is very small, compact, and I do have it just sitting up on my dash. It does have a solar panel on top which keeps it charged. It does come with a cord too if you want to just boost up that charger while you're on the road, or it hasn't got any sun, or it is running a little bit low. It does actually show how much battery is in it on the screen. Another feature of it as well, which I like, is it actually won't turn on unless you are going over 15 kilometers an hour. So that means if you're driving around a car park or anything, it won't actually turn on, so it saves power there. That's part of its smart technology, like a lot of the Oricom products have nowadays. With the sensors you get with it, they do come with batteries already in them, and these should last for about 2 years without you having to need to change them. So that's a good little lifespan for a product like that. The other thing that is really great about them is you can only need to screw them onto your valve. You don't need any other tools or anything. So again, super simple to install. They are also waterproof like most of the Oricom products. This doesn't mean that like you should submerge them in water for long periods of time, but if you are driving through puddles, rivers, or doing any of those type of crossings, you'll be able to keep them on your car without having to take them off. Some of the features with this tyre pressure monitoring kit is you always get a live feed, so whatever your tyre pressure and your temperatures are in your tyres, you'll get a direct feed to your little unit in your car, so you'll always know what it is in that current moment. This system also has a high pressure and a low pressure alarm, so if something is going on in your tyres, you will not only get a flash on the screen, but you'll also get a little bit of an alarm go off so you can know, which is great for safety. In case something is going wrong, you can pull over straight away and try to figure out what was going on. It will actually also tell you what tyre that issue is happening with. It not only has a low pressure and a high pressure alarm, but it also has a high temperature alarm. This alarm is good because this usually tells you if you've got either a leak or if you've run over something and the tyre pressure is building up, because usually when the tyre pressure builds up, that is when the temperature builds up. Now there are 2 things I don't like about this tyre pressure monitoring kit, and they are very small things. The first thing is you cannot actually see the display screen when you are wearing polarized sunnies. It is just completely black. Second thing is it can be a little bit annoying trying to take the tyre pressure sensors off when you are going off-road and you want to actually take down your pressure. You will have to have the little tool always with you, and it will just It's only going to take an extra 5 minutes to take them off and to put your tyres down, but I can see that being a bit of a hassle for a few people. For me, it is a little bit annoying, but I don't do a lot of off-roading, so it's not really that big of a deal. So yeah, if you are looking into a tyre pressure monitoring kit, I do highly recommend Oricom. They are affordable, they are durable, and they are just great for everyday use and road trips. As I'm an affiliate with these guys, I do actually have a discount code which you can use if you would like 15% off, which is TWB15. That will just get you a nice little sneaky discount if you decide to go for these. I love all of the Oricom products. I have the Oricom tyre pressure monitoring kit, I have an antenna from them, and I also do have a UHF radio. I think they are one of the best brands out there. They are reliable. They have been in business for 20 years this year, so you know that they know their shit. Also, happy 20th anniversary, Oricom. That's honestly such a massive achievement. So yeah, if you are interested in buying these products, the link will be down below, as well as my discount code. But as always guys, if you like my videos, make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one.